seems the more we talk about it only makes it worse to live without it. But let's talk about it. Wouldn't it be calling you a thief? Just don't steal from me. I'm not calling you a ghost. Just stop haunting me. And I love you so much, I'm gonna let you God go on. And when you kiss me, I am happy enough to die. I'm not calling you a liar, just don't lie to me. And I love you